the scent of rain on the summer ground, a photograph that I just found. Your voice, it echoes down the hall. I thought I'd moved on after all,
but one small spark and time unwinds.
I'm lost inside those days and nights. Memories come flooding back inside, like a wave I thought had long since died. Every laugh, every tear, every long goodbye takes me right back to when you were mine. Memories come flooding back inside, and I can't run, no place to hide. Old songs playing on the radio, your jacket still hangs by the door. I try to breathe, I try to stand, but I'm still reaching for your hand. They say the past is dead and gone, but it still plays our favorite song. Memories come flooding back inside, like a storm that swells with every tide. Every dream, every fight, every lullaby pulls me deeper into that old life. Memories come flooding back inside, and I just close my eyes and ride. I know I've grown, I've changed, I've healed, but some scars never learn to yield. If love was real, then time can't steal the way you made me feel. Memories come flooding